Hello and welcome to the Bike Sanctuary. My name's Steve and today I'm going to show you around this stunning Honda CBR600RR. This is a 2009 bike on an 09 plate. As you can see by the sticker kit that's on it, it's a limited edition. It is the Splash edition bike. There's a few little marks on it I'll point out as we go around, but other than that it's a fairly clean and tidy bike. It's covered just over 15,000 miles. Just going into all the graphics work on it here. See, quite nice, the little 600RR circles set it off. Right hand side fairing here, a little bit of a scratch. Again on the frame, just stone chip marks. They've obviously, from 08 onwards they went to a black frame instead of like the brushed steel effect, so any little stones in that will show up. Same again on the rear swing arm, slightly peppered, a couple of little dash marks on it. So we go around to the front. Obviously got the Splash Effect CBR sticker on the front, the sticker on the mudguard. The screen has got a few scratches. You probably might end up putting like a tinted screen on it, something like that, but it's nothing too bad. Lever here, got a few little marks on the swing arm at the rear. Down here there's a light brushing. It looks like it could have been a low drop in the garage, something like that. I wouldn't say it's been down the road, mainly because it's got the original fairings on it. It's HPI clear, the crush bungs and everything. There's no marks on them or bar ends. There's no obvious damage to anything, but it's definitely worth mentioning the marks on the swing arm. There's a mark there, and then just a little bit here. Sorry. But other than that, for an 09 plate bike with 15,000 miles, it's clean and tidy. Just going up towards the dash. You can see 15,338 miles. Just give it a little start up. Nice smooth sounding engine, does come with the akrapovic exhaust, which obviously makes it sound a little bit nicer. That's it from me. We've got WhatsApp, live chat, all the social medias. Pop into the show and try the bike on for size or have a coffee and a chat. Look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.